other than that, let's get it. Well, I got the second coat on, so now it's time to wait for about 30 minutes and see how well it tacks up and all that good stuff. I'm gonna flip it around and let you guys check it out. It's smoothed out pretty good with that slow reducer. So I've added about 10%, like it recommends for a sealer. Then you can shoot right on top of it with your top coat that you're gonna use. Being black, it's hard to make sure you missed any spots, but wherever you see, it's gonna be all blue here in a little bit. From black to blue, it's gonna pop pretty good once I get that Le Mans blue on there. We'll wait about 30 minutes and we'll go from there. I got the lips, trunk seal all nice and pretty. Alright. Well, we finally got it. It's about 7:30. Put the last coat of clear on it. And the biggest part about doing stuff like this is the prep. The more times you wipe it and make sure stuff is clean, the better the outcome is. And we'll let it dry overnight. I don't have any one of those fancy ovens paint guys use. So it's just gonna dry overnight, and then we'll see how it turns out tomorrow. Let me turn this around and I'll show you the clear coat product I use, and we'll check it out. Advantage Refinish products. 4 shoulders on the side. Down here. 4 parts of your clear and 1 part of your solids activator, and we'll see how well it works out over time. But this is what I use to go on top of Omni AU MBC. It's a PPG product, Omni is, and that's the color Le Mans. But yeah, this worked out pretty good. I'm gonna have to order 5 more, or at least 5 more of those plastic liners, and it keeps it clean pretty good. I ran some reducer through it and made sure everything was cleaned up, you know. But let's go over here to the trunk. Let you look at it. Nice and shiny for now. You know how stuff over time gets. It don't stay like that for too long. I didn't paint my little plugs. We'll do that later. But it worked out pretty good. This right here turned out real good. There's some spots that didn't cover as like I wanted it to, but Hey, it's not too bad for me. Not too shabby. So now, I think I made a box for the battery out of ABS plastic. And I think I'm gonna do something different with my CNC plasma cutter. Let me flip this around. Since I got a CNC plasma, I was kind of feeling out about the ABS plastic and see how it was going to work out. I still like the way the metal cutouts look better. So I think I'm going to change up that battery tray and showcase the battery that I got. And a lot of the audio guys use those kind of batteries. But I came out here around, I guess, about 10:30, 11, and I'm just now wound up getting it done. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.